Hello everybody, welcome to my Excel spreadsheet edition. This is about the making increased sales and to make an economy of scales, how to calculate fixed and average costs, and I'll show you the economies of scales charts at the end. So, now to start off the spreadsheet, I'll have to find my interest payable. I'll have to calculate my amount of quantity, my special offer, my bonus, and my amount payable. And then I have to calculate the ACS calculation on the fixed costs, the 6 month costs, and the total fixed costs, and then calculate the customer's costs and the unit costs in the economy sheet. Okay, so this start off, I calculate the interest payable. Interest payable requires an HLOOKUP function that is relevant to this table, to the numbers of payments and interest rate. So here's how to do the HLOOKUP function. That's the answer for the interest payable. Just make the area bigger. Increase its width. Now I don't want to fix this. All sum tables will have to be $signs B2 and $signs BG3 in order for it to be an accurate answer. So that's all correct. So that is interest payable finished. Now amount of quantity is the next step. There will be an if and statement. That answer is poor quantity. Let's check and see what the other quantities are. Okay, it's very good so far. Next step is to calculate the special offer. This will be an if statement. Okay, for the Bluetooth mobile mouse Microsoft, it is €5. Special offer. The bonus will be the next step. Okay, so let's see how much the other products have a bonus. Okay, so last part of this sheet of the sales is to find the amount payable. Simply product cost minus the interest payable plus special offer. Okay, so very good so far. So that's sales calculated successfully. And there you see my products of my laptop, wireless headphones or a live cam camera. There's a live shot X, a mobile workstation, wireless adapter, servers, Microsoft Windows, PC disk, keyboard disk, Microsoft Windows 10. Okay, now let's move on to the ACS calculation sheet. The cost of service for the following years. Okay, in order for that, there will have to be a sum function table to do the sum cost of service. Okay, now the next step is to find the average annual costs and customer. Okay, to calculate soon the 6 month occurring. So here's how to calculate the 6 month costs. Yep, that's very good. This goes all the way up to 2020. It stops at May, and every price in the calculation is pretty much the same thing. So I'll stop here and then I'll calculate the economy sheets that is required to calculate, and then I'll show you the charts in the next part of the Excel spreadsheet. So I'll stop right here and then I'll call this a day. So thank you all for watching this. Hope you all enjoyed it so far. So have a pleasant good evening, wash your hands and stay safe, and enjoy the evening. Adios.